Good morning. Our project is about multi-level inverter. The inverter which we used at our home is a two-level inverter. The inverter is various type of inverters are available in markets: sinusoidal wave inverter, pure sine wave inverter, and rectangular wave inverter, square wave inverter. And the inverter provides at the different voltage at different frequency what as per the requirement. In multi-level inverter, there are the output voltage of the inverter has the various level of voltage, but in basically the two level inverter there is a two level of voltage. uh, First one is if you can say plus V voltage, and the other is minus V voltage. In multi-level inverter, the various number of a DC source is used as a input to the inverter, and the output is taken. And this multi-level concept is basically used for the industrial purpose or in the industry. In multi-level inverter, we have done the MATLAB simulation and hardware designing also. The the given figure is about the three-level inverter, which is a diode clubbed multi-level inverter. In it, four IGBT switch are used and two diodes are here, and the DC voltage source is about 10 volt. Here, through the scope, we can get the information about the graph, how the output voltage graph is formed. Here, this is the output waveform of the inverter voltage waveform, and after putting the value in FFT analysis, we calculate the total harmonic distortion at the 10 level DC input voltage. The total harmonic distortion for the fourth cycle is 70.51%. Okay, the harmonic distortion is basically because of the presence of the non-fundamental frequency component of voltage and current, and also it is because of the non-linear load in the system, that is, it may be a inductive load or a capacity load. Okay, this is a 5-level inverter which is a H bridge, which used the concept of the H bridge inverter designing. In it, we use the 8 IGBT switch, and with the help of the pulse generator, we give the pulse to the IGBT. Here, the voltage source V1 and V2 has 50 volt and 60 volt respectively. With the help of the scope, we obtain the graph how the output voltage graph of the H bridge 5-level inverter is shown. This is the graph of 5-level voltage, 5-level H bridge inverter output voltage. Okay, the multi-level inverter is used to improve the quality of a harmonics. Yeah, to cut out the harmonics, to cut out the harmonics of the system. Okay, and after it we calculate the THD, total harmonic distortion of the 5-level H bridge inverter. After calculating it for the 4th cycle, the total harmonic distortion is 24.4%. Okay, the for the to give the pulse, when we give the pulse to the IGBT, there are the various pulse techniques are used to give the pulse to the IGBT. One is pulse width modulation technique, and another one is state space vector modulation technique. But here we saw about the simulation of the pulse width modulation technique for the inverter, how the pulse width modulation techniques works on the inverter functioning. In pulse width modulation technique, the voltage or the on or off the IGBT switch is which has a very high frequency, operation frequency, and in it when the IGBT is on, the current will out the output voltage is obtained, and when the IGBT is off, the output voltage will not obtained. Okay, and this is the wave form of the half bridge inverter. This is the upper wave is about the load, and about the load current, and the lower waveform is about the voltage. And this is the full bridge. This is the waveform of the full bridge inverter. Okay, and this is all about our project related information. And the multi-level inverters has the various utilize the various concepts, and it has a wide scope in future for the efficient operation of the electrical devices. Okay, thank you.